Hello friend, today we learn about the Euclidean algorithm. This algorithm is to find out the GCD between two number A and B. So if two very large number, positive large number, then the Euclid was a mathematician that proposed an algorithm to find out the common greatest division between the two large positive number. So what is GCD? GCD is a largest integer that divide both the number. So what is the both number? A and B. So this Euclidean algorithm follow two facts. First fact is GCD of A and 0 become A, and second fact is GCD between A and B is equal to GCD between B and R, where R is a remainder when A is divided by B. So let's see some example and then we will move to algorithm. So here is an example. What is the GCD between 36 and 10? Now move on to solution. GCD of 36 and 10 is equal to, just you divide it, 36, 3, 30, remainder is 6. So by the fact 2 we can write GCD 10 comma 6. So this is the 10 and here you take the remainder 6. So what you can write this, again apply this, 6 divided by 10, 1, 6, 4. So it is equivalent to GCD 4 comma 6, sorry, GCD 6 comma 4, and then again apply the same things, we will reach 4 and 2, again apply the same thing, we will get 2 and 0, and fact 1, when you apply the fact 1 you will get 2. So GCD of 36 and 10 is equal to 2. But 36 and 10 was very small number. If this number A and B will be large, then what we will do? For that we will follow an algorithm. So algorithm is like this. First we are talking about the process. So let's talk about the process. So process is like that. R1 is equal to A, let R2 is equal to B, and the remainder A divided by B, remainder R. So in the next step, this will become R1 and whatever remainder will come become R2. Again we divide it, again you get remainder. Repeat this process, and while repeating this become R1 and whatever you get here, this become R2, and at last you get here 0. So again you write down this become R1 and it will become 0. When you get this just stop. So at this point R1 will be the GCD. Now move on to the next algorithm. Algorithm is very simple. Let's talk about algorithm. In the algorithm, R1 is A and R2 will be B. This is initialization. Run the while loop until unless R2 is greater than 0. In the while loop, we will first find out the quotient R1 divided by R2, and in next step we are interested to find out the remainder, that will be the R1 minus Q into R2. In the next step we will replace R2 with R1 and R with R2. And loop closed. So when R2 will be 0, it will come out the loop, and at that time GCD between A and B will be R1. That is our final result. So let's check this with the help of example. We are interested to find out the GCD of 36 and 10. So here R2, here the first we do the initialization. So R1 will become 36 and R2 will become 10. So while we will go in the loop. So here Q is, the quotient will be 36 upon 10, that is 3, and remainder we solve out. R1 is 36 minus 3 into 10, you will get 6. So again replace R2 by R1, R1 by R2. So the R1 will become, what is R2? 10, and R2 will become, replace R2 by R, so R is 6. Now in the loop, second loop, Q is equal to R1 upon R2. So R1 is here 10 upon 6, so it is 1. Remainder is R1. R1 is 6 minus 1 multiplied by R2. Okay, it was 10. 10 minus 6 is equal to 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 4. So again this is replace R1 by R2. So R1 will become R2. So at present R2 is 6 and R2 by R, so R is 4. Now move on to third loop. In the third loop, quotient will become R1 by R2, 6 by 4. So it is 1. Remainder is equal to 2. We will just follow it. So here R1 is replaced by R2. R2 is 4 and R2 is replaced by this 2. Now again R2 is greater than 0. Move on to the fourth loop. In the fourth loop, Q will become 4 by 2. It is 2, and R is become R1, 4 minus 2 into 2. So you get 0. At that time R1 is equal to R2. So R2 was 2 and R2 is 0. Now at present R2 is 0. So we will move out to loop, this loop. So at last GCD of A and B is R1. At present R1 is here 2. So here GCD of, we can write at the above, GCD of 16 comma 10 is equal to 2. So this is the algorithm. Now move on to the more example. Move on to next example. Because this equilibrium is used for to find out the greatest common divisor for the large integer. So let's take an example. Find the greatest common divisor of 2740 and 1760. So move on to solution. Solution is like this. First make the 3 table Q, R1, R2 and R. There will be 4 columns. So here R1 is 2740 and R2 is 1760. So just divide it. 2740 is divided by 1760. If you take the 2, then it will more than this, because 2 4 ja 14 and 3 more than 3 one time. 1760 0 14 8 here 6 16 9 980. So quotient is 1 and remainder is 980. Now move on to the next level. So this become R2 become R1. So here 1760 and R become R2. So 980. Again you do this. 1760 is divided by 980. So 2 times 216, but no 1. So 980. So 0 16 8 16 7. So question is 1, remainder is 780. Now R2 become R1. So here we move to 980 and here we move to 780. So in this way, if you do this, 780 divides 980 1 times. So 780 200, remainder is 200. Question is 1. So just replace the value as you did it previous. So again 200 divide 780. So 3 600 180. So remainder is 180 and here is question is 3. Now again replace this 300 180. Do this. So 200 1 times I think go and remainder will become 20. Now replace again 180 and 20. So 2, okay, here 9 times and here remainder 0 20 and just stop. So what is the GCD? GCD is this 20. So I can write GCD of 2740 and 1760 is equal to 20. So this equilibrium is used for the common so equilibrium is used for the greatest integer number. Now take another example. In the next example, find the greatest common divisor of 25 and 60. So you can do this greatest common divisor of 25 and 60. So move to solution. You may use the Euclidean equation for this one. 4 column Q, R1, R2 and R. Take the initial value 25 and 60. So just do this. Here question is 0, remainder is 25. So how will you get 25? Just 60 divided by 25, because it is smaller, so 0 times 0 and remainder is 25. Now this R2 becomes 60, replace it, and R2 become R25. So let's check. 60 divided by 25, if you go to 3 times, let us go 2 times 50, remainder is 10, then 25 and 10. So 2 times, remainder is 5, 10 and 5. Go to 2 times, remainder is 0, 5 and 0. So at last you get the 0. So this is our GCD. So GCD of 25 and 60 is equal to 5. So that is all about the greatest common divisor, and we will use this greatest common divisor in the cryptography. So learn it properly. Hope all of you will be fit and fine, be healthy and follow all the COVID rule. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.